What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be changing this steering wheel to a RSX Type S. This steering wheel has been on Scar for forever. I'm going to put this steering wheel cover on it because the top started stripping, and funny enough it kind of matches with the wheels, but it still looks kind of crappy. So I'm going to get rid of this and install the RSX Type S steering wheel. So let's go. So first you have to pretty much take the steering wheel off, and how to do it, you have two little plastic pieces here at the back, one here and there's one here, but this one already came off. So that's, and behind me I have two screws, so you have to undo those screws and then you'll pop the airbag portion out. So now the airbag should just come right out. And there are some connectors that you have to disconnect. So you have to pull this. I just pulled this, and you're gonna just screw it off pretty much. So you have to try and take the steering off, and you have to do that by pretty much just knocking the sides. So you have to put this steering wheel back on, feed all these lines here. Try to line it up how it was before. But remember, you have to try and get that ribbon in properly too. So, yep. Next, we have to connect the horn. I'm not connecting the cruise control. I'm not connecting the airbag just yet. because in order to do the airbag, we have to basically switch up some stuff in here. So I'll just leave that for now. I'm gonna connect the horn, and in order to connect the horn, you just simply plug this thing onto the pin right here, and it should work just fine. And now in order to screw up at the steering, we just put the two bolts, one bolt on the side here, the other one here, cover up this, and it should be good. Alright, let's see if the horn works. Horn works. But as I suspected, you're gonna have that the SRS light, but kind of figured out what happened, but I'm gonna fix that in another video. So guys, that is how you swap over RSX steering wheel onto a EK or EJA, whatever chassis, 96 to 2000 Honda Civic.